All right, we are in the midst of renovations, and this is the chaos we are currently residing in. So there's not going to be a very long video this week because we have a lot to get done. We are leaving on Tuesday, and yeah, there's a lot of work to be done. So Curtis is working on our renovation today. He's putting in what needs to go here. And then we are off to 100 Mile House tomorrow on Saturday to return his work truck. Sunday we'll be going to church and then cleaning top to bottom. And Monday will be prep. And then Tuesday morning, if all goes as planned, we are out of here and flying south. Well, driving south.
These guys are smart. Looks like they're heading south. Smart birds.